Hello children. Today chapter 6 solving problems based on the quadratic equation. Before that, last video in the page number 6, Q2 is equal to median, not mean. So correct it. Q2 is median is equal to n by 2th term or n plus 1 by 2th term. So do this correction, students. Okay, now come to this chapter. For solving a word problem based on quadratic equation, adopt the following steps. Now you have to remember these three steps. First, represent the unknown quantity by the variable x or y. Maybe you can take the small letter a, b, c, d, anything. But it is better use x or y. Then translate the given statement in the form of equation in terms of x or y. Third, solve the equation. You know already the previous chapter, chapter 5, quadratic equation you learned by splitting the middle term, you have to split it. Now you have to remember all the points to make the equation. If two consecutive natural number or whole numbers are given, even integers are given, you have to take one number as x, next number x plus 1, x plus 2, etc. etc. you have to take. Now, if the two consecutive odd or even numbers given, you have to take one number is x, second number x plus 2, x plus 4. Even for both odd and even, you have to take this because the difference is 2. Divide. Next one is divide 20 into 2 parts given in the question. Then you have to take one part is as x, second part you have to take is as 20 minus x. All these points you have to remember. Then you can make the equation. Okay. Yes, come to the next one. Two numbers differ by 3. It is given in the question. Then you have to take one part as x. Second part you can take x minus 3 or x plus 3. The difference is 3. Next, area of right triangle is half into base into height. Then area of rectangle L into B. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. Area of square A squared. Perimeter of square 4A. The distance is equal to speed into time. In your physics, you learned all this. Time is equal to distance by speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. All these you are going to use in this chapter. Next, SP is equal to, if profit percentage is given, SP is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent divided by 100. Or if loss given, CP into 100 minus loss percent divided by 100. Then you can remember only this, you can substitute in the place of CP. Otherwise, you can learn this formula also. CP is equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus profit percent or SP into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. Let's come to the two-digit number. Two-digit number, example 53. You can split it as 50 plus 3. 50, 5 into 10, 2 into 1. So 5 is the tens place and 2 is the unit place. So here you have to take unknown. So general form of two-digit number is 10x plus y. X is the tens place, y is unit place. Reversing number. Now the y will come to the x place and x will go to the unit place. So reversing number is 10y plus x. Sum of the digits of the two-digit number x plus y. Product of the digits is equal to xy. You have to remember all this. These are very important to solve your two-digit number question. Next, come to the boat question. The boat will travel upstream or downstream. How to do the question? The speed of the boat you have to take in still water, x kilometer per hour. The speed of the water or stream, y kilometer per hour. While going up, what will happen? The speed of boat minus speed of water. So, x minus y. Speed of boat in the downstream, speed of boat plus speed of water, x plus y. So, speed of boat will increase in the downstream. So, you are adding the speed of water. And in the upstream, automatically the speed will decrease. So, you are subtracting the speed of the water. Now, I am going to solve the few questions from all the 4 to 5 exercise, 6A to 6E. I am going to solve and I explain the different question. You can solve the questions later. The first question, the product of two consecutive integers is 56. Exercise 6A, question number 1. Find the integers. Here it is given integers. It may be negative integer or positive integer. It is not a natural number or whole number. So let the number is x, second number is x plus 1. Consecutive given. Next number. Product 56. Product means multiply the two numbers. X into x plus 1 is equal to 56. X squared plus x 56. X squared plus x minus 56 is equal to 0. You know the splitting method. So x squared plus 8x minus 7x minus 56. You are getting x plus 8 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 8 or x is equal to 7. Next number, minus 8 plus 1 minus 7. Here 7 plus 1, 8. Therefore, the consecutive integers given. So, you have to take the negative also, positive also. Particularly, it is given positive integer. Only you have to write 7, 8. Here, nothing given. So, you have to write the numbers or minus 8, minus 7 or 7, 8. Come to the question number 6 in the same exercise. Divide 15 into two parts such that the sum of their reciprocal is 3 by 10. Let one part you have to take it as x, second part 15 minus x. The sum of the reciprocal is equal to 3 by 10. Reciprocal means 1 by x plus 1 by 15 minus x is equal to 3 by 10. You have to take LCM here. X into 15 minus x, the LCM. So you are taking 15 minus x plus x is equal to 3 by 10. X cancel. 15 by 15x minus x squared is equal to 3 by 10. Cross multiply. 15 into 10 is equal to 3 into 15x minus x squared. 150 is equal to 45x minus 3x squared. Now you make the quadratic equation. Here 3 is common. So throughout each and every term divide by 3, you are getting this simple quadratic equation x squared minus 15x plus 50. You know how to find the factors. 10 5s are 50. Last term is plus. Addition of factors should be the middle term. But here minus sign. So you have to give both negative sign. So you are getting x squared minus 10x minus 5x plus 50. So you are getting x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 10. So one part is x, second part automatically 15 minus 5, 10. If you are taking 10, second part. So the numbers are 5, 10. Come to the question number 15 of the same exercise. A can do a work in x days given and B can do x plus 16 days. This kind of question come means immediately you have to find how much work A can do in one day, how much work B can do in one day. You have to find out. So A can do a work in x days in one day, 1 by x part of the work he will do. Similarly, B can do a work in x plus 16 days. So in one day, 1 by x plus 16 work. Even in the tab question, 1 hour how much it is filling means you have to do the similar way you have to do. Now next step what is given, together A and B, both of them they are finishing a work in 15 days. Therefore both of them in one day how much they can do, 1 by 15 work. Okay. Now from 1 to 3, A can finish, B together they are finishing. So 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 16 is equal to 1 by 15. Similar way you take the LCM, you are getting the quadratic equation x squared minus 14x minus 240 is equal to 0. Split last negative, therefore difference of the factors minus 24 plus 10 is equal to 14. Splitting the middle term, you are getting x is equal to 24, x is equal to minus 10. X is equal to minus 10, you can't take these negative values. Therefore, you have to take in 24 days A can finish your work and B can finish 16 days more. So 24 plus 16 in 40 days. They can. So next question number 16 in the same way. This is the tap question, pipe question. Finish in 1 hour. How much? In the similar way, you can do the question number 14 and other sums. Come to the exercise 6B. Now, I gave the formula for the area of rectangle, triangle, rectangle, square in the beginning. So, by using this, you have to do. This is a right angle triangle. The sides near covering the 90-degree mean one is base, one is height. Base, I am taking it as 4x. Height is 2x minus 1. The formula, area 30 centimeter square is given. So, half into base into height is equal to area. Half into 4x into 2x minus 1, 30. Now, you are taking half, 2 to cancel. 2x into 2x minus 130, you are getting the quadratic equation 4x squared minus 2x minus 30 is equal to 0. Here 2 is common for each term, so divide by 2, you are getting 2x squared minus x minus 15 is equal to 0. As usual, splitting method, you are getting the factors x minus 3 into 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3. 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5 by 2. So, you can take that x is equal to 3. So, the base is equal to 4 into 3 is equal to 12 centimeter. This is the negative sign and the side will not be negative. So, you take the positive value. Height is 2x minus 1 is equal to 5. You want the hypotenuse. All of you know the Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is equal to root of base squared plus height squared. Root of 12 squared plus 5 squared. Root of 169 is equal to 13 centimeter. Therefore, the sides are 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Next in 6b, question number 6. The perimeter of rectangle is given as 104 meter. You know the formula 2 into L plus B is equal to 104. L plus B is equal to 104 by 2 is equal to 52. You change B in terms of L. Substitution method you learn in your 9th standard. So B is equal to 52 minus L. This is the first equation. Next, what is given? Area is given. Area of rectangle is 640 meters square and the area formula L into B is equal to 640. In the place of B, you substitute 52 minus L. So, L into 52 minus L is equal to 640. Remove the bracket. 52L minus L squared is equal to 640. Bring it to your positive side. L squared minus 52L plus 640 is equal to 0. So, splitting 640 and the last plus sign. So, addition of the factors minus 32 minus 20. You are getting L minus 32 into L minus 20 is equal to 0. You take L minus 32 is equal to 0. L is equal to 32. In the place of B, 52 minus 32, 20. Suppose you are taking L is equal to 20, B is 32. But normally L will be greater than the breadth. So you take this value. Length is 32 meter, breadth is 20 meter. These are the answers. Come to the exercise 6C. So all the different questions I am solving in this video, all of you remember how to do the questions and reminding all the other questions you solve it on your own. Now in this question what is given? The distance is 36 kilometer given. The original speed of the car is x kilometer per hour given. Next what is given? It increased the speed by 10 kilometer. That is x plus 10 is the speed. Now, because of that, the difference of the time also given as 18 minutes given. Always, you know the units per hour, speed should be in kilometer per hour, distance in kilometer and time should be in hour. So, 18 minutes you have to convert it as 18 by 60. Okay, here the speed is equal to x kilometer, distance is 36. Therefore, time taken, time formula, distance by speed 36 by x hour. After increasing the speed is x plus 10 kilometer. The distance is same. So, time taken T2 is equal to 36 by x plus 10 hour. Now, you have to compare here. You are taking, here speed is less. So, time will be more. Here speed is more. Time will be less. So, the difference of time is given 18 minutes. So, the equation is T1 minus T2 is equal to 18 minutes. 36 by x minus 36 by x plus 10. 18 minutes, you take it as 18 by 60. Now, 18 by 60 you can simplify as 3 by 10 divided by 6. So, the equation becomes 36 by x minus 36 by x plus 10 is equal to 3 by 10. Now, take LCM. X into x plus 10, you are taking 36 plus into x plus 10 minus 36x is equal to 3 by 10. By simplifying, you are getting the equation 3x squared plus 30x minus 3600 is equal to 0. 3 is common, so divide by 3, you are getting the simple equation. Now, splitting the middle term, you are getting x plus 40 into x minus 30 is equal to 0. X plus 40 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 40. Definitely the speed will not be in negative. So you take the other one. X minus 30 is equal to 0. X is equal to 30. Therefore, the original speed of the car 30 kilometer. After increasing, the speed is 30 plus 10, 40 kilometer per hour. Yes, question number 3 of the same equation you have to take like this. Just I gave the hint only because the speed decreased by 40 given, so first it should come. The speed decrease, time will increase, so you have to take this one first. 1200 by x minus 40 minus 1200 by x is equal to 20 by 60. You can cancel this and you have to take it as 1 by 3. Then solve it, you will get what is the speed. So if speed decrease, when the speed less, time will be more, and speed is more, time will be less. You have to remember this point. Okay, come to the question number 8. The cost price is given x rupees, selling price is given 16 rupees, loss is x percentage given. You have to find what is the CP. You have to find. Already I gave the formula. SP is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percent by 100. So 16 is equal to, in the place of SP 16 is equal to x into 100 minus x, loss percentage by 100. So cross multiply, 1600 is equal to 100x minus x square. Bring it to the positive side, x squared minus 100x plus 1600 is equal to 0. Splitting the middle term, you are getting x minus 20 into x minus 80 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 20 or x is equal to 80. Therefore, the CP, that is the cost price, may be 20 rupees or 80 rupees. Come to the exercise 6D, 2-digit number. So each and every question, some same different question I am solving here. The similar question you have to solve even from the back side. The revision exercise also you have to do the sums. Okay, let the 2-digit number, you have to take always 10x plus y. X is the tens place, y is the unit place. The product of the 2-digit number given as 24. So product always xy you have to take. Xy is equal to 24. Immediately convert what is y is equal to. Y is equal to, x will come to the denominator. 24 by x is the first equation. Next, what is given? Exceeds means more. Unit place exceeds twice the tens place by 2. It is given in the question. Unit place minus 2 times the tens place is equal to 2. Here the unit place is y and tens place is x. So y minus 2x is equal to 2. And in the place of y, substitute this 24 by x. Simplify, you are getting the equation 2x squared plus 2x minus 24. Again here 2 is common, divide by 2. You are getting the simplest form, x squared plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. Splitting, 4 3s are 12. So x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. So you are getting x plus 4 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 4. It is not possible. So you are taking a positive number given. X is equal to 3. Y is equal to 24 minus x, substitute. Y is equal to 8. Up to this, you should not stop. What is the question? What is the 2-digit number asked? So the 2-digit number is 10x plus y. Substitute in the place of x 3 and in the place of y 8. You are getting 30 plus 8, 38. 38 is the 2-digit number. Yes, question number 5 of the same exercise, age sum. What is given in the question? 1 year ago, you have to take the son's age x, father 8 times given, so 8x. This is about the 1 year ago. What will happen the present age? The 1 year will increase. So present age, son is x plus 1, father 8x plus 1. We know this. But condition given, father is square of son's age. Father place 8x plus 1 and the square of son x plus 1 whole square. Now again you are simplifying. You are getting x squared minus 6x is equal to 0. You can take x outside. X into x minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. This is not possible. So x minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to 6. That is the 1 year ago. But in the question, what is asked? What is the present age of son and father asked in the question? Therefore, the present age x plus 1. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 years. Father's age 8x plus 1, 49. Even you can take father square of son given. Therefore, 7 squared is equal to 49 years. So the present age of son is 7 years and father's age 49. Come to the boat question, upstream, downstream. The speed of the boat in the still water in the question given 15 kilometer per hour. So you don't know what is the speed in stream. So the speed of stream you have to take it as x kilometer per hour. Now speed in upstream, the formula is speed of boat minus speed of water. So 15 minus x kilometer per hour. Speed in downstream, speed of boat plus speed of water. So 15 plus x kilometer. Distance is given 30 kilometer. You have to find the time taken in upstream and time taken in downstream. The formula for time, distance by speed. And the total time given as 4 hours 30 minutes is equal to 4.5 hours is equal to 9 by 2 hours. Okay, time taken in upstream, distance by speed. The speed is 15 minus x and the distance is 30. Therefore, 30 by 15 minus x hours. Time taken in downstream, 30 by 15 plus x, because the speed is 15 plus x. Time 1 plus time 2, total time 9 by 2 hours. So 30 by 15 minus x plus 13 by 15 plus x, 9 by 2. Now simplify the equation. You are getting the equation as 1800 is equal to 2025 minus x squared. Bring it to the positive side. 9x squared is equal to 2025 minus 1800. 9x squared is equal to 225. X squared is equal to 225 by 925. X is equal to plus or minus root of 25 plus or minus 5. So definitely speed will not be in negative. You have to take the positive value only. Therefore, the speed of stream is equal to 5 kilometer per hour. Now, one more example about the hotel bill. These kind of questions are very important. Normally, in your board examination, these kind of questions will come. Now, question number exercise 6E, question number 3. The hotel bill is given as 4,800 rupees. Let the number of people you don't know. That is why you are taking let the number of people yes. Now, first one, the bill of, therefore, the bill of each person, each people, what will come? 4,800 minus each person, 4,800 by x rupees each will get. The total money is 4,800. Second case, number of people increased by 4 given. Therefore, there are, how many people are there? X plus 4. So, bill of each person, 4,800 by x plus. The money is same. Only the people are increasing. They are sharing. Therefore, definitely here, it will be less only. So, the people less, money will be more. People more, money will be less. The difference of amount, because of that, what happened? Each and everybody 200 rupees less they are giving. So, the equation 4,800 by x minus 4,800 by x plus 4. This is the given by first case 1 person. Second case also 1 person. The difference is 200 rupees. So by simplifying, I showed everything, all these steps here. So by simplifying, you are getting 19,200 is equal to 200x squared plus 800x. Now, simplifying, divide by 200, you are getting the equation x squared plus 4x minus 96 is equal to 0. Same splitting method will come in this problem sums. So, minus 96, 12 into 8, plus 12 minus 8, because the middle term is positive here. So, you are getting x plus 12 into x minus 8 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 12 is not possible. Number of people will not be in negative.